Hi, everybody. James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro for EA Sports. It's the home opener and definitely a buzz in the building here tonight. We are about set to drop the puck as both centers make their way into the dot. The Rangers take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. And now it's over to Fox. Too much traffic in the lane. Ahead of steam now towards the front. New York's got possession of the puck. Working the puck deep inside their own end. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Picked off by Heiskanen. Quick pass to Kakko. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. Dallas on the attack. Slides the puck across to Zibanejad. And now it's to Panarin. The Rangers move it in. The Stars gain control of the puck against the wall. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Taken by Seguin. And the puck departs the zone. Grabbed along the boards by Heiskanen. And some good footwork to kick it away. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Can't connect! Strome stick handling in his own zone. The Rangers carried along the wall. Here's a short pass to Lafreniere. And he makes the save on that play. Oh, and another save! We got a penalty coming up here. Whistle blown, stopping the play. The Stars don't like it, but they'll serve two in the penalty box. New York's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Scoreless game, power play gets their first opportunity. Man, I couldn't get on the ice quick enough for these, James.
Swatted away with the stick in the defensive zone. Takes the puck as the clock ticks down on the penalty kill. Picked up along the wall by Faksa. New York's got the puck along the boards. That's turned away with the pad. Buries it from the goal.
I always wanted to have a fast start. It's funny, you go no goals in 3 games in the middle of the year, nobody cares. At the start, it really matters.
The Rangers give themselves a little breathing room here in the first.
There wasn't much to choose between the teams, and so now they've got the lead. Maybe they can open the game up a little bit.
New York's got a hold of it against the wall. And they'll dump it in. Dallas tries to break out from their own end. Can't connect on the pass. And it takes a shot. And that's stopped by Bishop. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, I won't complain. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. The Rangers lead it 1-0. Quick feed to Blais. Goalie with a stop. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Official signals for the players to get into position, and we're about ready to drop the puck. The Rangers win the draw. Sends a pass over. And that one's turned away. Blais exploring options with the puck. Slides it over with pace to Ben. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. Turned aside with the glove. Shesterkin's going to elect for the face-off and maybe just a chance to play with the puck a little.
Well, you get to feel it for sure, but he hasn't had much to do at all. His team's been in control as they lead this game.
Pavelski's great at deflecting pucks on net with his big tipper zone ability. Zibanejad's good at controlling bouncing pucks with his magnetic zone ability. That first touch can set up his next move. I'll be watching these two players to see if one of them can really shine for their team tonight. Guys, back to you.
Takes the puck at the point. Centering pass! And that's blocked! Trouba's lugging the puck.
Rooney's last stick's in the garbage dump. He had to go get a new one. Great work to keep the shift running.
Quick stop by Shesterkin. From behind the net, see what he can do. Dallas looks to get things going now with the puck. New York's gained possession. Here they come. the feed. Moves around along the half wall. Oh, an unbelievable stop by Bishop. And with that, the first period is in the books. Both teams with a chance and a refresh will get a clean sheet of ice and come back with period number 2. Both teams back on the ice. They're lined up, and period number 2 is about ready to go. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. They fight for it along the boards. Picked up along the wall by Zibanejad. Sends one across. Gives them nothing in front.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Bishop's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Panarin's known for letting shots fly when he's skating hard towards the net, guys. His make-it-snappy zone ability is that quick release that's so hard to catch up to.
Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And he gives it over to Robertson. Nice pass. Pass across to Klingberg. Moves it to Sagan. Couldn't complete the pass. And that's poked away by Kakko. The Stars have it now. Robertson's got it in the defensive zone. Sends it over to Klingberg. Dallas has it against the half wall. Here's a chance. Oh, and that stays out with the toe save. New York's looking to break out. That pass doesn't go. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. The Stars have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Gaining momentum along the wing. And now it's grabbed by Hintz. And that shot dies in traffic. The Rangers gain possession. Can't find his man. Moves it quickly over to Pavelski. How did he stop that one?
Sharp reaction save.
And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Gurianov's got the puck in his own zone. Taken by Suter. Now into the offensive zone from the right side. Here he is in close. He scores! They tied up. They stayed with it the entire time, Ray.
I'm tired of listening to coaches talk about, oh, we followed the process. But the process is you don't get frustrated. You keep chipping away, and you hope to get to this point.
Here in the back half of this period, we got a tie game. New York's ready to go on the attack. Dallas has possession of the puck. With some open space at center. Quick pass to Glendening. Puck picked up by Blay. Gaining momentum up along the side. Puts it on net. Makes the glove stop. Bishop's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
Puck possession so critical. Another face-off coming up here. Dallas wins the face-off. Great heads-up play to poke it away in the offensive end. Steps across the blue line. And that pass can't connect. And no luck on that pass attempt. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Blay's going to play it against the half wall. Quick snap. Oh, what a stop by Bishop.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Stays with it. Here's a short pass to Kiviranta. Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Reeves. The Stars take it along the wall. Beautiful read in the defensive end by Rooney. Quick feed to Goodrow. And he makes the save.
Bishop's locked in. Every puck hits him and stays in front of him. On the odd chance there's a rebound, he tracks that well too.
And there's the buzzer bringing the second period to an end. You don't want to go home yet, do you? Third period action still to come. The officials are set. The players are set. Ray Ferraro between the benches is set. I'm James Cebulski. Let's go. And we are underway here in the third, still tied. Lets it fly. Stopped by Shesterkin. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand.
Dallas is breathing a little easier with the go-ahead goal here in the third.
Now you stare at the clock. You hope it melts away pretty quickly because it can seem like it doesn't go anywhere.
The Rangers look to start the transition game. Feeds the cross-ice pass to Panarin. And puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. Moves it to Heiskanen. The Stars take it across the line. Handles the puck. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Moves it quickly over to Panarin. Into the offensive end now. The Stars have it from their own end. Tries to feed it over to Gurianov. Centered out in front. Picked off.
The Rangers have continually put themselves in good positions defensively tonight. It seems like every shift they're stealing a puck.
Quick pass to Kreider. That's kicked away with the pad by Bishop. Puck grabbed by Panarin. Fails to find the open man. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And now it's grabbed by Heiskanen. Scooped up along the wall by Klingberg. The Stars are on the attack. Here's a shot. Denied by the goaltender. And they get the puck out of harm's way. Up along the wing. The Rangers gain control of the puck. To his teammate. Makes the save as that goes off the glove. Taken along the wall by Gurianov. Great reach with the stick by Lafreniere. Puck scooped up by Lindell. Here's a short pass to Strome. From one point man to another. Gets in front of it.
He reacts late, but he makes the save through traffic.
Montreal's on the calendar next. That should be a fun one.
It should be. The teams play generally pretty aggressive physical games against each other.
More than half the frame has been played here. Dallas leads it 2-1. Taken by Suter. Slides the puck over. Lets it fly. Turns it aside with the glove. Puck picked up by Ben. Oh, there's one more.
He's like a backboard in there. Bang, bang. The puck's off him twice. He makes 2 stops. Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Sends the pass over. Play blown dead. Let's get the call.
Can see the frustration on the bench beside me here. This is just not an opportune time to take that penalty.
Who had the better night? Carlin is standing by.
Zibanejad's been buzzing, and he's been rewarded here. His name in the box score proves he's had a stronger night, guys.
They take possession as he locks him up off the faceoff. Shesterkin's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed a cover there.
Rooney's side still short-handed here as they slide in for the faceoff. New York's got possession here on their own end. And the puck is cleared to a safer spot. Dallas will play it from behind the net. Passes over to Radulov. Play whistle dead, offside the call. Just moments away from the resumption of this power play. They're ready to drop the puck here for this faceoff. The Stars win possession here in the open ice. And they'll be forced to regroup as the puck escapes the offensive end. Oh, denies them with the paddle save. Dismiss that chance.
Quick reflexes give him the opportunity to make back-to-back stops.
Dallas has it behind the net. Sagan's picking up steam. Quick feed to Pavelski. Big stop by the goaltender right in front.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Rooney's gliding in for the face-off as this penalty kill will continue. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. He was locked in there. Moves the puck down low. Tees off. Denies him on the one-timer. Oh, what reaction. And that's a solid clearing attempt on the play. Moves the puck. Dallas is across the blue line. Feeds it down low. And that one's broken up. And they get that puck down the ice. The Stars have it behind the net. That's moved up ahead.
Goudreau's up and ready to join the play.
And the puck clears the zone. Picked up along the boards by Heiskanen. Penalty expires, and when you look at where things sit right now, that's a huge, huge play by the penalty killers.
Well, the power play will wrap up, and they miss with a chance to score a really important power play goal.
Puts the puck on net, and he comes up with it. Moves it to Goudreau. Takes the feed. Takes the pass. New York's emptied the net. The extra attackers now out on the ice. Oh, textbook poke check to turn that over. And they won't connect on that one. Receives the pass. New York's got the puck against the half wall. Oh, what a save in front. Errant pass, and they can't connect. A shot at the empty net. Sends it quickly to Goudreau. New York's got it across the line. Here's a shot with the stop. Routine save made by Bishop.
Make the save, help yourself out at the same time. Good stop, but the better part is that he gets the puck away from the front of the net.
Final buzzer sounds, and this one's in the books.
We talked pregame about how we thought this would be a tight game. James, it couldn't have been much tighter. Just a one-goal difference.
A stop here, a goal there. This could have completely gone the other way. It was very close to call. And that'll do it. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thank you.